Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hi, my name is Martin. In this video, we're going to focus on SAP's quota arrangement functionality, and specifically its fair share rules capability. This feature in SAP helps us reduce the risk in our supply chain and honor our commitments to our suppliers and internal manufacturing by enforcing fair share rules in sourcing. And as we know, the best way to earn is by doing so. Christy, how about you tell us a little bit more about these fair share rules in SAP?
Fantastic idea, Martin. Quota arrangements offer a great way to realize our dream big supply strategies in an effective and efficient manner. They can be a little challenging to get off the ground, but they are powerful when understood and used correctly. In this demonstration, I am going to focus on three key things. First, getting started with a quota arrangement. How do you get started? Second, how to enter fair share rules onto that quota arrangement, which is the most basic rule. And third, how to review the results once MRP has been run and decide if you like them or not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump in and take a look at this quota arrangement fair share rule functionality. So we know how important it is to be able to diversify our supply base and be able to have multiple sources of supply for the same material. So these are materials where the form, fit, and function are the same, regardless of which source it's coming from. And you can see here, I am in MD04, and I am sitting just outside of my replenishment lead time. I have some purchase requisitions out here, and they are all assigned to a single supplier, in this case, 5595. Now, what you may note is that there is a new field up here at the top. It says quota arrangement. This is not part of my navigation profile, which is what's giving me these specific transactions, but this shows up as soon as this item is set up for quota arrangements. So after that master data is in place, you'll see the option here, and I can actually go and navigate directly to my quota arrangement right from MD04.